Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit a header on a Shopify store. As you can see, I'm on the home page of my Shopify store and I am in admin mode. And I'm going to go down here to where it says online store. And then under themes, I'm going to click customize on my current theme. This brings up the page where I can edit what my website looks like. And over on this left hand side, this is the header section that you can edit. You can use the announcement bar function that shows a little message up top. You can disable that, enable that. And here, if you click on header, you can add a logo and reposition it wherever you would like, whatever looks best for your website. Here you can change up your menu style, whether you want drop-down menus or not. You can also choose if you want the header to stick in place when you scroll up, all kinds of things, color schemes, language selector. You can also edit how your website will look on a mobile layout, and down here you can change up the spacing on your header section. That's all for now on how to edit your header on a Shopify store.